Hey, what's up? Welcome to DGenEd. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts like the chart behind me, which is of Krispy Kreme, ticker symbol DNUT, which is up massively so far on the morning of Tuesday, March 26th, as I record this during market hours. Price is currently right around $15.68, being up nearly 26% so far on the day, having gapped up from yesterday following the news that Krispy Kreme will now be served at McDonald's around the world. So that's some pretty great news. And so I just wanted to go over a few levels that do stand out to me that could be acting as support if we do pull back a little bit, or could be acting as resistance if we do move higher. And it would be ideal that we do claim those levels as support, getting above them to potentially move even higher. And so from the chart here, just a few levels that I do want to go over. One being yesterday's high, which was hit, on March 25th, that being at a price of $12.59. So we do now have a gap to the downside that may be filled at some point in the future, but I do think that the momentum that we're currently seeing will be pushing the stock price higher. So I don't think we really need to be worrying about that right now. And then I also did this Fibonacci retracement here, going from the high that was hit on December 27th, then coming down to the low that was hit on March 14th. That was a great dip buying opportunity then at a price of $11.53. And so from that retracement, the high, at 1537, we are currently trading above that. So I do think we want to be holding that level. But if we do pull back a little bit, I could see the 786 at a price of $14.55 acting as support, which price did wick down to that level today, but we are currently trading well above it. And that level does correspond with this red line that I have drawn here that goes back pretty far in time. I actually have to switch over to the weekly time frame to look at it, and that is really just based on how 1450 has acted as resistance over here throughout 2022, then did act as support here in 2023, did get a little bit of a break above it for a couple weeks, but did break below it, and now we are trading above it. So if price does pull back, I do think 1450 could be a very nice level to consolidate at, perhaps forming a bull flag before continuing higher. But now switching back over to the daily time frame, we are testing this yellow line at 1575, and that is based on, let's see, the highs over here really just being kind of approximate, had acted as resistance in the past, going back to November of 2022. And so I do think that, as we see now, that is acting as resistance. But if we can break above it, I think that would be really good. Could be forming some bullish consolidation up there to then continue higher. As price has been much higher in the past, it may be getting there again. And before I close this video, I just want to share one thought that I have with Krispy Kreme. I think it would be great to get a Big Mac, but with a donut as that middle layer of the burger, that middle bun. I think that would be pretty tasty. So maybe we'll be seeing that in the future. A Big Mac glazed Krispy Kreme hybrid. That would be awesome. But those are just my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this and coverage of Krispy Kreme. Take care.